Most people think SaaS applications and third-party applications are the same thing. They're not. And misunderstanding this is exactly how companies lose control of their data, their users, and their security. Welcome to CyberMigos. Cybersecurity made simple. Today, we're breaking down the difference between SaaS applications and third-party applications in a way that actually makes sense. On the surface, SaaS and third-party applications look identical. They're both external, and to most people, there's no visible difference. But from a security and architecture perspective, they behave very differently. A SaaS application, software as a service, is a complete application delivered over the internet. You don't install it, you don't manage it, you just log in and use it. With SaaS, everything lives inside that platform. Your users, your data, and your workflows all sit within a single environment. That means everything is contained and structured in one place. Now, this is where third-party applications are different. A third-party application isn't the main platform. It connects to something else. It's connected to your infrastructure. Instead of everything being contained, third-party applications create connections. They rely on access to other systems to function. So instead of one environment, you now have multiple systems connected together. Data isn't just sitting in one place anymore, it's moving between applications. And that's the real difference. SaaS is about a contained environment. Third-party applications are about connected environments. To make it simple, SaaS is the system you use. Third-party applications are the systems that you connect to. This is why understanding the difference matters. Because as soon as you move from contained systems to connected systems, your environment becomes more complex. And complexity is where organizations start to lose visibility. Not because something is broken, but because everything is now connected. So when you hear SaaS, think one platform, controlled environment. When you hear third-party applications, think multiple systems connected together. But understanding how they behave differently is what allows you to manage them properly. If you want to understand how cyber actually works, follow CyberMigos. Because cybersecurity isn't just about tools, it's about understanding how everything connects.